Hi there, I'm Greg from the Lafayette Public Library here with another snack attack video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple 3-ingredient ice cream that you can do at home. Here is what you'll need. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, vanilla flavoring or vanilla extract, and then any extra flavoring or syrup or toppings you might want to add. You will also need a hand mixer with beaters or whisk attachment, 2 big bowls, and a big old spoon. Our first step is to take our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're going to pour it in one of our big bowls. And then we are going to take our hand mixer and we're going to beat this until we have stiff peaks. We're going to start it off on the lowest setting and then raise it up higher as we go. As you whip the cream, you'll see that it starts to get thick, and we're looking for it to make stiff peaks that will stay whenever we lift it up, so not quite yet. This is the kind of consistency we're looking for. We're going to set that off to the side and move on to our next step. Our next step will be to take our can of condensed milk, pour it into our second bowl. Slimy. And then we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Then we'll take our mixer again on the lowest setting and blend these together. Okay, I think that's good and mixed. The next step will be to combine the condensed milk with the whipped cream. So we're just gonna slowly pour them together. You can see the cream is pretty airy. We don't want it to deflate while we're mixing. So we're just going to gently fold them together. You don't want to stir this too hard because it'll deflate that cream, and we want it to stay airy like this. Just a few turns of your spoon should mix it together. At this point, it's ready to go in the freezer. You could throw a cover on this bowl and freeze it for 4 hours and you're good to go. But we're gonna scoop it into some separate containers and add a little flavoring to it. I'm gonna leave a couple just vanilla, and for the next 2, we're gonna add a little chocolate syrup and make it chocolate ice cream. You could add any kind of flavoring you like to it at this point, or any kind of mix-ins like nuts or fruit. You can add as much or as little flavoring as you like. I want to make mine very chocolatey. Now these are going to get covered and go in the freezer for at least 4 hours. I can actually put the lids on. Our finished ice cream is now going to go in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Okay, we did our time skip. We're about 5 hours in the future now, ready to check out our ice cream, see how it came out. Looks pretty good. Good stuff. Please remember to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and check out all of our other offerings from Lafayette Public Library. Thanks for tuning in.